In this episode of The Daily Drop, we're going to talk about why you might want to have one of these in your kit. So let's go. All right, here we are. Another episode. I'm heading on the road for another production, and this is the Conair Steamer. There's a lot of models. I prefer this brand because it seems to be reliable. And I've been producing and doing sit-down interviews for, I don't even want to say how long, but even if you're hiring, as I'm going to be, a makeup artist to handle makeup and hair for this production, oftentimes you'll find that that person will not usually be a wardrobe person. They might be willing to steam clothes if you provide a steamer. Some of them will have their own steamer and bring a rack, but wardrobe and hair and makeup are kind of two separate things. So you shouldn't expect that person to do that. This particular makeup artist said, I'm happy to steam things, but I don't have a steamer, so I'm going to bring one with me. And basically, it's not a complicated contraption. You fill it with water, ideally distilled water. Why? Because it won't have minerals and salt, and it won't gunk things up. The water I have coming out of the tap here, forget about it. And if you can't get distilled water, which is pretty easily sourceable at a supermarket, then just put clean bottled water inside of here. And then basically you just turn this thing on when it's heated up. Now it draws a lot of power. This one is drawing about 1100 watts, 1200 watts, but you can lock it in place so you don't have to hold it down. Never put your hand in front of it because steam, as you probably know, burns a lot. And then you can just go ahead and steam clothes quickly and easily. Now, there's also usually a couple of different settings. So it's lower output, higher output. And in addition to that, there are a lot of different models. There's a more portable model that I've actually ordered to test out that comes with a little handy, nifty, foldable hanger. And I don't know, maybe I'll do another episode on that if I think it's cool. But this is all you really need. $30 to $40 US, upwards of about $70 US. Lots of different models. I'd probably stick with a company like Conair because they're so well known, big company, reliable, at least from my experience. They're making steamers, hair dryers, all of that kind of stuff. That's it. Portable steamer, something I think you should have in your small crew kit. Not expensive and gets you out of a pickle when it comes to wardrobe, but also very importantly, backdrops. You have those backdrops that you set up and you've got wrinkles in them. You can hit it with this and it usually handles the problem quickly and easily. All right, don't forget to, and I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.